Okay, once again, welcome to OMSIS My School. Okay, good morning to all the children's intermediate or first year, second, all the members. Welcome to OMSIS My School. And so far, you are watching. Yesterday, I sent that second year of studies already sent you. Today, you want to discuss first year also. You can see the first year, intermediate first year. Letter to his letter to his son's teacher. Letter to his son's teacher. Okay, today I am going to explain the prose first lesson. Prose first lesson, which is here written by Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln. Yes, in the examination, public examination, from that lesson, 4 marks will come. 4 marks for the annotation, another 4 marks for the question, paragraph question. Okay. In the examination, they may give the both or sometimes. Okay. Not only Roman number 1 annotations, but also Roman number 3 paragraph question also. So finally 8 marks will get. Okay. Annotation for the 4, paragraph question for the 4. Yes. Okay. So far, those are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and share and press the bell button, and you will get the notification from the OMSIS My School, my channel. Yes. Okay. I am not waste the time. I am directly going to explain this lesson and gist of the analysis, all the, okay, part 1, part 2, like this. Suppose I want to complete half of the lesson, next again I will send. Okay, now no problem, please continue. And not only lessons, we can see grammar in the examination first year, intermediate first year English. Grammar goes to 60 marks, major role. Yes, if we get the 60 by 60 marks, means definitely will score 90 plus, 90 or 95, almost all. Okay, remaining questions, paragraph questions and essays, 40 marks. Okay, you can see this. Now lesson, letter to his son's teacher by Abraham Lincoln. First of all, about the author. So annotation for the, only writing the annotations, reference is there. All of you please keep in mind, listen to English. Why? Because you don't have any time. That's what I am telling, only English to English. Sometime little bit I am using Telugu only, sometime only. Why? Because if you listen English to English, means in the examination what you are listening, yes, it will come in your mind in the examination. You are listening and listening, automatically, yes, the words will come in your mind. Just read the one your books, once your book. Okay, now. So in that reference, these lines are taken from the lesson Letter to His Son's Teacher by Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln. Yes, he was a self-taught lawyer. Self-taught lawyer. Lawyer means he can judge. Okay, he can give the predict. He can the verdicts or predict. He can judge. Okay, and also opponent slavery. Opponent of slavery. He fight against the slavery. He fight against the slavery, and also legislator. So these are the qualities of Abraham Lincoln. Slavery means in the yes, America. Come to America, in that country, and two peoples are there, black people, white people. They always fight against the both are. The white people always the oppress the black people. Sir, Abraham Lincoln belongs to black, yes, black American. You know very well that one. Okay, so he want to fight against them at the time, and finally, and he became a 16th president. Yes, 16th president of US, United States, in 1860. Yes, 1860. 1860. So once again, let us letter to his son's teacher by Abraham Lincoln. He was a self-taught lawyer and slavery opponent of slavery, legislator, and he became a 16th president of US in 1860. 1860. 1860. And he was assassinated by the John Wilkes Booth, and he passed away at the time. He was assassinated means to murder someone. So Abraham Lincoln was assassinated by the John Wilkes Booth. And Abraham Lincoln was the greatest president of US history. Yes, this is about the reference. If you want to write the annotation answer reference, these lines are taken from the lesson. Once again, I want to sum up. These lines are taken from the lesson Letter to His Son's Teacher by Abraham Lincoln. He was a self-taught lawyer, legislator, vocal opponent of slavery, and he became a 16th president of US in 1860, and he was assassinated by the John Wilkes Booth. Lincoln was a famous greatest president of US history. This is about the author. Yes, context. And yes, Abraham Lincoln gives the so many guidelines, instruction to the teacher, and to inculcate the faith, love, courage among the students. Okay, he wants to say the important lines are there. So here, letter to his son's teacher, and Abraham Lincoln here written one letter to whom he is a son's teacher. His son is going to school. Yes, now I'm going to explain the lesson. Yes, here Abraham Lincoln wrote the one letter on behalf of a son about the teacher. Yes, he wrote the letter. Yes, my son starts school today now. My dear teacher, please, I want to send my son to this school. And it is very all going to new each and everything strange, and going to school now. New teachers are there, new atmosphere is there, new thing, each and everything new. So my son starts school today now. Please take care of him. Please treat him very gently as softly. Whatever you want to say, very soft way. Don't hash with my students. Not only his son, on behalf of all the students. Abraham Lincoln, he wants to say whatever he want to say through the letter only. His son's teacher. So before going to school, my son at home, he has no task, no worries, and love and affection towards parents only. But now coming to school now. Now coming to school, everybody think once yourself. As a childhood, yes, in olden days, back your days once again. When you are going to childhood days, at that time what would happen? At the time there is a scare inside. I don't want to go to school. At the time you said like that to your mother. So here also, my son start the school today now, and the scare and tension, each and everything coming in his mind. Please, my dear teacher, I want to pray for you. I want to appeal to you. Take care of my son. Please be hold in your hands. Teach him very gently way. As gently as. Don't hash with my students, please. So, my dear teacher, I wrote a letter to you only. So, the student don't know the how to tackle the school atmosphere. Please, you have to say each and everything, my dear teacher. The teacher must make the student each and everything how to behavior in this classroom, how to discipline. So many members are there. So one by one, so many students, teachers are given the instructions are there. Those are very difficult to swallow to my child. Until then, the teacher must being extra care towards my son, please. And the school starting onwards, don't hash with the student. Please let him allow. Let him allow to school. You want to habituated school. So, my dear teacher, please take care of him very gently way. And you have to say, my dear teacher, you have to say, for every enemy, there is a friend. So, in the classroom, so many people are there. And friends are there, enemies are there. So, it's a common. But teacher, yes, the teacher know each and everything. So, that's why he wrote a letter to his teacher. The teacher must say that, and every enemy, there is a friend. Okay, for every enemy there is a friend. For every crooked politician there is a dedicated leader. For every crooked politician, crooked means here dishonest persons are there, but from that some dedicated leaders are there. In the same way, classroom also you can see not all of them, not bad members are there. Everyone good member is there, but the teacher must know the value of the what is the bad, what is the good. The teacher must know. The teacher have to say that students. So, and continue here, Abraham Lincoln. You want to say something else about his son. Teacher, please teach him. Yes, the value of the rupee. He don't know that. He don't know, child. Teacher, please, you have to say that the value of a rupee rather than the dollar. The value of the paisa rather than dollar. And also you have to teach him, to the child, honorable. Honorable. To fail than to cheat. Teacher, please, you must teach him to my children honorable, honesty. Teach him to fail rather than to cheat. See, and the examination going on, at the time you want to copy from others. This is the wrong. Okay, don't cheat like this. You have to say. So, then next onwards, you want to, and you don't want to commit the mistakes. So that is the honorable. The examination going on, you want to copy from others. At the time, please don't do like this. I have to say. So, what is the honesty? Okay, through the activities only you can know. So, the teacher teach him honorable, to fail than to cheat. And also, the teacher teach him, the student, and also gracefully lose. Gracefully lose means here enjoy. Yes. Okay. A better can be sometime victory. So suppose if you won the one match, means at the time you will get excitement. That is not here. Suppose sometime here lose the match, you are lonely, I felt unhappy. Don't say like this, okay? Both are taken as well as whatever the victory, whatever the lost. Both are take the same only. So, గ్రేస్ఫుల్లీ లూజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టీచ్ హిమ్. అంటే ఓడిపోయేటప్పుడు కూడా ఆనందంగా ఓడిపోయేట్లు నేర్పించండి. సపోజ్ యూ ఫెయిల్ వన్ సబ్జెక్ట్ మీన్స్ there is no loss. Don't waste your time. Okay, you can get failures are stepping stone to success. Failures are stepping stone to success in this way. Okay, no problem. Next time better luck. So you have to encourage them, gracefully lose when he winning in does. Okay, don't worry, failures are stepping stone to success. The teacher teach him like this only, and he want to continue something. Okay, okay, continue. Yes, next part I will continue next lesson. Okay, wait and please subscribe this channel, all of you. And by the students, I will send also grammar and each and everything now onwards. Okay, please subscribe, share to your friends. Okay, follow me. I will send next video also this continue. Okay, a little bit wait. Okay, thank you.